that I'm taking my options trading into a different tangent. My long-term goal is really to move options trading from a manual intuition-based system into an algorithmic data science-driven system. It's my belief, John, and feel free to disagree with me that over the long run, as options market becomes more mature and efficient, I think we will no longer be able to just trade by intuition. The edge that we have today will likely be changed. And in my opinion, we would need to partner with new technologies to compete for the remaining tradable edge. So for that reason, I'm spending quite a lot of time studying artificial intelligence. And for those who are interested in this field, have been following this field, you must have heard of AlphaGo. That's the AI algorithm that beats the best human player in the game of Go. So that is a big thing, is a watershed moment in the AI field. So no machines has ever been able to do that in the past, but AlphaGo did that. And that has big implications, and it has created a lot of excitement for me because I think the same technology can be used to help me trade options.